Welcome to the EZU Postal Mail lesson. In this lesson you will learn how to schedule postal mail to be sent to a customer in EZLynx, so let's get started. First, navigate to a customer you would like to send postal mail to. On the Customer's Overview page, click on the Documents tab to locate the document you want to send by postal mail. If you need to upload a document that will be used for postal mail, click Add and then click Upload. From the Upload Document window, drag and drop the document or click in the field to browse your computer for a document to add. Then click Upload. Please note that only flattened PDFs can be sent by postal mail. Once the document is available in the Documents tab, you can search for the document you would like to send by clicking the filter icon, and then selecting Postal Mail Compatible from the Document Type drop-down menu. Next, to begin scheduling postal mail, click Actions next to the document you would like to send, then click Mail. In the pop-up, enter a mailing title. You must use a unique name for the mailing title. This helps to quickly identify what is being sent. If you have any previously drafted postal mail and would like to finish, click the link on the draft title to continue to the next screen to schedule the postal mail. When ready, click Next. From the Add Documents screen, you can see which document has been selected to be mailed. If you would like to add additional documents, click Add Document in the Add Additional Documents field. This will move the document to the field above to be mailed. If you want to change the order in which the files are arranged, click the up or down arrows to change the order. If you want to remove a document, click the trash can icon. To review the document, click the chain link icon to review it. When ready, click Next to proceed. On this page, select the mailing address that the postal mail will be sent to, by clicking on the Mail to drop-down box and selecting the recipient's address. Next, select the address that the postal mail should return to if it is undeliverable. This field should automatically select your agency's address. However, if you need to add an additional return address, please speak with your agency's admin to add your new mailing address. Next, select whether the documents being mailed will appear in black and white or color. Under that, select whether the documents will be printed on a single side or double-sided for printing option. Next, for Select Postage option for delivery, select how the documents should be mailed out, either first class or certified mail from the drop-down menu. Depending on the number of pages you have included, you may be able to select different envelope options. If you have 4 or fewer pages, you can send the documents using a number 10 envelope. If more than 4 pages of documents, send using a flat envelope. Next, review the total charge that the agency will be billed for sending the postal mail, and check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then, click the Submit for Proof button to proceed. Next, review the example proof provided to ensure that the documents being mailed appear correct. When ready, agree to the terms and conditions and submit the documents for printing to be mailed. Once the postal mail has been scheduled, you can find a record of this under the Applicant's Activity tab, or in the mailbox under the Postal Mail section of the Communication Center. To navigate to the postal mail mailbox, hover over the Communication Center, then click Mailbox. Here you can see which postal mail has been submitted or any open drafts. Clicking Actions on a draft may give you options to edit or delete. While for submitted postal mail, you may have the option to delete or cancel, view proof and view mailing information. Please note, postal mail cannot be sent out in bulk. That is all for this EZU course on postal mail. You should now have the knowledge and skills needed to schedule postal mail to be sent to a customer in EZLynx. Thanks for watching.